If you accidentally delete your important file from hard drive, USB drive or SD card, then don't panic just yet. In many cases, your files can still be recovered, but you need to act fast and avoid anything saving new on that device. I will show you step by step how to recover your deleted photo, video, documents and etc. using Recoverit. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are lost your important files by mistake, then this video is for you. Whatever it's photo, video, work file or other documents. I will walk you through the recovery process and show you how Recoverit works. Before we begin, there is one important tip. If you deleted files from a memory card, USB drive or hard drive, stop using that device immediately. Saving new data can overwritten the deleted files and reduce your chances of getting them back. First, open Recoverit on your computer. Once the program opens, you will see the main interface with different recovery location and device options. Okay, Recoverit supports recovery from hard drive, SSDs, USB drive, SD cards and other external storage devices. It can also recover different type of files including photo, video, document, audio file and more. Next, select the drive or device where your files were deleted from. For example, if you lost files from an SD card, choose the SD card option, or a USB flash drive, choose the USB drive, or your computer hard drive, choose that specific partition or folder. In my case, I am selecting this device right here because that's where the deleted files were originally stored. Okay. After that, click start or scan to begin the recovery process. Now Recoverit will scan the deleted location for lost and deleted files. Depending on the size of the drive or the number of files on it, this may take few minutes during the scan. The software will start showing recoverable files in real time, so you may not need to wait for the entire scan to finish before checking the results. And I think that's useful if you already stored the files you want to recover. Once the scan begins, you can browse the result by file type, file path or search by file name if you remember it. This makes it much easier to find the exact files you need. For example, if you are looking for deleted photos, go to the photo section. Lost videos, open the video category. Missing documents, check the document folder. Recoverit also lets you preview many files before recovery. This is very helpful because you can confirm whether the file is the correct one before restoring it. As you can see here, these are the deleted files that the software found and I can preview them directly. Now I am going to choose the files I want to restore. You can recover individual files, multiple files at once, or entire folder if needed. Okay, just check the file you want and then click the recover button. And this is very important. When Recoverit asks where to save the recovered files, do not save them back to the same drive or same device where they were lost. Instead, save them to a different location such as another hard drive, your desktop, an external drive or a separate folder on a partition. This helps avoid overwritten other recoverable data. So I am choosing a different safe location here. I will click save. Now the recovery process is complete. So now let's open the recovered folder and check the files. As you can see, the deleted files have been successfully restored. The photos are back, the videos are accessible, and the file can be opened normally. This is why acting quickly is so important after accidental deletion. Besides standard deleted files recovery, Recoverit also offers other useful features depending on your situation. For example, it can help with formatted drive recovery, crushed computer recovery, external device recovery, photo and video recovery, and ever repair or corrupted video in some cases. So if your data loss situation is more serious than a simple accidental delete, these extra tools may also be helpful for you. That's how you can recover your deleted files using Recoverit. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button, and if you want to guys this kind of video in future, then please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.